Brake, brake, channel 4, brake, 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 brake. Breaker, breaker, channel 4. Anybody got a copy out there? Breaker, breaker, breaker. Breaker, channel 4, brake, brake. Well, boys, it looks like I might have her sorted out. I found a bad D12 inside of her, and D18 and D24, which are both 2SC 945s. Interesting. Not sure how all that might have got damaged, but it all got damaged. Squelch works. Earth gain works. Volume works. Well, there we have it. We'll be working TRC 451. And I checked at all of these parts. D24, 18, 9, 8, 12, 10, D11, D5, C17, D6. And what I found was D12, especially these three and asterisks. D12, TR18, TR24. Three of these guys were damaged. Not sure how. Test 1, 2, 1, 2. Do her. Anyways, let's put her back together here and test her again. Make sure she's still working after I put her back together. Otherwise, there you have it. Interesting. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. And again, D12, tier 18 and tier 24 were the culprits. Hope you enjoyed the video, folks. All the best.